Want to level up your Snapchat game and connect with a wider audience? Let's get you a public profile in under a minute. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, find and tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Who Can Euro. Under this section you need to adjust 3 things. The first setting is Contact Me. Tap on Contact Me and make sure to change the option to Everyone. This will allow anyone on Snapchat to contact you. Next, select Send Me Notifications and change the option to Everyone. This way you'll get notified when new people follow your account. Lastly, tap on View My Story and change the option to Everyone. This will allow anyone to view your story. Go back to your profile page. If you don't see Add to Snap Map option, wait a few minutes and check back. You should now see the option Create Public Profile. Tap on it. Snapchat will guide you through a few screens explaining the benefits of a public profile. Read through the information and tap Continue on each screen. On the last screen, tap Get Started. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to create a public profile. Tap Create. Congratulations! You now have a public profile on Snapchat. You can now customize your profile further and start creating engaging content.